That's what I like about Byron. Byron, the most indigenous of us all, found a turtle. I don't think that has anything to do with his finding the turtle, but he was clearing the brush and we found our buddy. Evidently, Byron says there's 49 species of tortoise in the United States. Isn't that neat? But he was here and we're gonna make sure he's comfortable as we can. I don't know what a turtle needs to feel good, but probably to me to put him down. But here you go. This is part of our adventure.